You know what grinds my gears harder than a manual transmission in the hands of a 16-year-old? People who still say Twitter and then immediately follow it up with, or X, or whatever it's called these days. I can't keep track. Oh, you can't keep track, really, of one name change? What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. Listen, I need to break something to you as gently as a sledgehammer to a piñata. If you're still doing this Twitter/X thing, you might be the oldest mother in existence at this point. And I'm not talking old like you remember when gas was cheap. I'm talking old like you personally witnessed the invention of the wheel and thought, oh, that'll never catch on. Because here's the thing, it's not like this thing just happened. It isn't like when the year changes and you're still writing 2024 in your checks in February because your brain's on autopilot. We're not in some adjustment period here, people. X changed a long ass time ago. There are literal human beings using X right now who weren't even born when it was Twitter. Let that marinate for a second. There are kids with fully formed opinions about anime who have never known a world where Twitter existed. It's kind of like someone casually dropping the Brooklyn Dodgers into a conversation. If you actually say that, what I immediately know about you is that you're really goddamn old. You probably have strong opinions about which way the toilet paper should hang, and you think streaming services are just another fad. Now, first of all, and I cannot stress this enough, Twitter has had one name change. One. A single rebrand. So please stop with this, or whatever it's called these days, nonsense. Like they've been rotating through it with different names every 6 months, constantly rebranding like some sort of startup that can't decide what it wants to be. It's not Twitter, then X, then Blue Sky, then platform formerly known as the Bird Place. It's just X. That's it. One change years ago. Honestly, when you say Twitter at this point, I don't even know what the hell you're talking about because that's so far in the rearview mirror, it might as well be MySpace or Friendster or Prodigy or America Online. I only think of it as X now. It's been X longer than some people's marriages have lasted. And secondly, I'm really old and my brain can't wrap itself around concepts that have been around for years. That's what you're really saying. You're basically announcing to everyone within earshot that you've just given up. You've thrown in the towel, pretty much on life. You're waving the white flag of cognitive flexibility. My God, I get it. You're confused. But when someone says, follow us on X, it's not like there are a million other companies called X, and we're all sitting there scratching our heads going, gee, what X could they possibly mean? The treasure marking on a pirate map? The letter? The porn site category? Follow you on X? What are you talking about? Jeez, stop acting like it just happened. The statute of limitations on confusion has already expired on this transition. You've had years to adjust. At this point, you're not confused. You're just being stubborn. You're that person who still calls it the Facebook and thinks Blockbuster mails DVDs to my house. Here's my question for you. What's the longest you've held on to an outdated name? Is it the Sears Tower or Chi-Chi's, a celebration of food? Unless you want to prove me wrong that you get the senior citizen discount at Cracker Barrel, in which case, by all means, continue saying, Twitter, tell me how much you missed the World's Fair while you're at it. Wax poetic about how TWA was your favorite airline. Complain that cars don't come with spacious front bench seats anymore so you can make out with your sweetheart at the drive-in picture show. But for the love of all that's holy, if you're under the age of 85, just say X. It's shorter than Twitter anyway. You're actually saving time and energy. You're becoming more efficient. Congratulations. You've accidentally stumbled into the future. Look, I get it. Change is hard. But some of you are out there acting like this is the Mandela effect. And if we all collectively hallucinate the rebrand, it didn't happen. It's not real. It happened. It's done. It's been done for years. Accept it, move on, and stop announcing to the world that your brain froze 5 years ago and never thawed out. That's it. Peter Von Panda. Out.